Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make avocado tuna salad. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have parsley, cucumber, lemon, onions, and then the avocado, tuna, and then black pepper, and then olive oil. Okay, to start, I'm going to chop the avocado. Okay, I need to chop. Oh, by the way, I wash everything before I do the chopping, okay? Okay. Mm. Okay, guys, look at the avocado. It's very clean. Okay. Okay, guys, and now I'm gonna chop it. Mm. And then slice it into cubes. Okay, guys, we're gonna slice it into cubes. And then put it here. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, mm, this in this container or bowl. Mm, we're gonna put it there first. Okay, guys, and then we're gonna chop also. This one is already washed. I washed this one earlier. All the ingredients I washed it earlier. Okay. Okay, let's scrape the seeds. Okay, let's scrape the seeds. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Okay. And then we're gonna chop it. And then we're gonna put it here. Mm. Gonna put it there. Okay, guys. This is the cucumber. We finished the avocado and then cucumber. And then we're gonna the onions. Mm. Okay, so we're done with the cucumber, avocado, onions, and then we're gonna add the parsley. Parsley, guys. Okay. And then we're gonna lemon juice. And then black pepper. Okay, guys, look at black pepper. Okay. And then olive oil, guys. Okay. And then this one, the tuna. Okay. And then a little bit of salt. And now it's tasting time. Avocado. And then tuna and onions. Okay. Gonna taste, guys. Oh, it's full down. Mm. Mm. A little bit more of salt. Mm. It's already okay. Mm. Okay, guys. Mm. And now, guys, it's tasting time because I'm become full. Okay. Okay, guys. That's our avocado tuna salad. Look at. Okay, guys, that's our avocado tuna salad. Okay. Okay, guys, it's tasting time. Mm. It's very good, guys. It's very refreshing. The cucumber, avocado, onion, and parsley. Mm. It's very yummy. Mm. It's very refreshing. And the olive oil. Mm. It's very yummy, guys. So I have to clean up after. Mm. 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 Look at that one, guys. Mm. It's very yummy. Okay? Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Broja, to my Instagram, D underscore, bro underscore ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow me and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, my TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog, and to all my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To my personal blog, Delia Valentine. And to all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.